thought of leaving. I want a kid. I want the world. I want the all. I want to live. She got a grievance. She want the kid. She want the kid. She want the car. She want the crib. I gotta admit it might be about.
Hi guys, I'm back. I'm fresh off of work and I'm about to get in the shower, wash this hair, and get started on this twist out. I will be letting y'all know the products that I used while I was in the shower getting this hair tamed, and we'll be right back with you guys. Alright, so let's get to it. So first I use the Cantu Shea Butter Moisturizing Cream Shampoo. Now I love Cantu, a majority of my products are Cantu, but the Cantu Shea Butter Moisturizing Cream Shampoo is made with shea butter and essential oils to replace vital oil in your hair, leaving it stronger, healthier with a natural shine, whether your hair is chemically relaxed, colored, pressed, or permed, and in my case it's colored, but you can use this pretty much every single day. Okay, so after that I went in with the apple cider vinegar root rinse. Now this is supposed to be used so that way it replaces the shampoo, but I just love the way how it feels in my scalp. It gives it that tingly feeling, and it is made with tea tree oil. And this just pretty much makes your hair stronger, healthier, and gives it that natural shine. Last, I use the Cantu Hydrating Cream Conditioner. This stuff makes my hair so soft and it's great for curly hair. And we all know what conditioner is. It's just used to retain natural oils in your hair. And all of these Cantu products are less than $5. $5, and it's worth every buck. Like I told y'all, like I love Cantu products. Alright, so now that we got all the deets out the way, I'm going to part my hair the way I like my twist out to fall when it dries. So usually I just go for a side part, so I'm just sectioning the bang area off. Now, my sides are really short because I did have a tapered cut and it's finally starting to grow back in. And I will be doing another big chop soon, but we'll save that for another video. Alright, so now that my hair is all clipped up, I'm going to go in with the Cantu Leave-In Conditioner Repair Cream. This just deeply moisturizes my hair to protect it from damage. So I'm just going to take a good amount of that and pretty much just evenly distribute that through my hair. Now with my Denman brush, we're just going to go ahead and brush that through my hair so that way my hair can get every little bit of that product absorbed into every strand. Okay, so here we have coconut oil. Now I love putting this stuff in my hair. I've been using it for almost 3 years now and it's great. You can purchase this at your local Walmart, and as you all know, coconut oil is very great for your hair. You can use coconut oil as a natural way to just help your hair grow longer, thicker, and faster, and it also nourishes the scalp. Okay, so next we have the Intensive Hydration Twist Defining Custard from Shea Moisture. Now, this is my first time using this product. I usually use the Shea Moisture Enhancing Curly Smoothie, but we'll get into how I thought about this at the end of the video because it definitely played a major role in how my twist out came out. So I'm just going to go ahead and put that in my hair as well. Next, I'm using the As I Am Smoothing Gel. I love this gel. It's not as harsh as the Eco Styler gel and it's very light. And with all those products that I used, I'm also just going to go ahead and brush that through, clip up some hair, and go ahead and start with the twist out. Okay, so starting with my twist out, I always start in the back and I just section off the hair. I mean, we all know how to two-strand twist. Well, we should, but if you don't, I'll just play this part here in the beginning in normal speed for y'all so you can kind of get the concept of it. And then after that, I'm definitely going to fast forward through all this because we're not going to sit here and play this all in normal speed, twisting out my hair. So, I'll be right back with you guys. Okay, so a very important step is to always ravel the end of your twist around your finger for more of a defined curl. Like, you should always do that so that way your ends aren't looking all crazy. And something that I do is, because I am natural and dead hair is not the move, if I'm twisting it and at the end it's not a perfect twist, like it's not a curl, I just cut it off because, I mean, there's no need. I just cut it off because clearly it's not going to curl, it's damaged, so I just cut it. Alright, so just to get this video going, I think you guys kind of get my drift on what I'm doing. So I'll be back when we're done with this section, and I'm just going to fast forward through all of this. Alright, so we're done with that back section. Now this is the reason why I like putting my hair in sections. Because while I was working on the back of my hair, the front got dry. So this is why I like to section and apply the product as I get to that section. So I do just spritz the hair with a little bit more water to get that damp. And then we're going to repeat the same process as we did with the first section, with applying all of the product to my hair, brushing it out, and then getting back to the twist out. Alright, so we got one side done, so now on to the next side, doing the same thing that we did with the other section. All done, so now we're just going to tie this baby down, let it air dry, and tomorrow morning we will untwist it. Alright, so it's the next morning, my hair is dry, my makeup is halfway done, but we're going to go in with our Mielle Organics Mint Almond Oil. Now I love this oil and I love this line as well, but I'm just going to put that all over my twist and also on my fingertips to untwist the hair. Okay, so let's just get into the Shea moisture that I use in my hair. So I usually, like I said, use the Enhancing Curling Smoothie by Shea Moisture, but I can already tell that there is kind of a difference in this twist out with that product that I use. My ends are not to my liking. I mean, I wouldn't use the product again. I mean, hey, it may work for others, but for me, I don't like how it did it in my twist. But anyway. Okay, now the way I usually take out my twist is I usually get my finger and unravel it the opposite way that I twisted it. Then I just pull it apart. So don't just go in there and try pulling it apart because it'll mess up the curl. So just gently unravel it the same way you twisted it. Well, not the same way you twisted it, but you know what I mean. Like untwist it the way it's going, the direction, untwist it that way. And another thing, when taking out the twist, you have to make sure you get every twist out. Like, feel around, try to look for twists. Because I remember one time I had one big old chunky twist in the back of my head, thinking I was cute, all out and about. And yeah, it wasn't cool. So just make sure you get every twist out to be sure. Now I did go ahead and put that almond oil back into my hair again. And now we're just separating the twist. Alright, so all of the twists are out. So now I'm going to go in with my pick and I'm just going to pick this baby out just to give me more of a full look and just separate those spaces. Just pick for your life, honey. Pick for your life, okay? Now with my Eco Styler gel, I'm just going to brush the sides of my hair up just to give it more of a smooth look. Just brush it up to give it the shape that I want. And now we're going with the olive oil edge control, my love of my life. We're just going to smooth them edges back as well. Get those bobby pins, twist it up the way how I like it, and just shape my hair the way I want it to go. Alright, so the styling part is done and this is my preferred look, okay? This is how I like it. Now I'm just putting more of that edge control there just to smooth it out a little bit more. Alright, so now with all of the bobby pins in there, this is usually how it turns out. I like to also make a little bit of a, you know, put down some baby hairs or whatever. That's just what I prefer. I mean, you don't have to do this step, but I like it to look like that. Now, after that, we're just going to put that scarf on, tie her down. I'm going to finish my makeup, and I will be back with you guys to show you the finished look. So this is our finished look. Now if you guys want to see me do another twist out using a different type of product, just let me know. I'll be more than happy to go ahead and do so. And if you guys like this video, go ahead, like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe, and I will see y'all next time. Bye.
Even if I I come back and we just go around, baby. Bang, bang, boomerang.